Hello, our dear viewers. You're most welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, we are going to look at abstract nouns. Remember, in lesson 1 and 2, we introduced nouns in under parts of speech, and we looked at types of nouns. So definitely today, we are going to look at abstract nouns as a type of nouns. We say abstract nouns, these are names of things that cannot be seen or touched. When we talk about abstract nouns, it comes from the word abstract. Abstract means it cannot be seen, it cannot be touched. Now what happens? They tell us that they are nouns of quality existing in people or things. When we talk about abstract nouns, we cannot find them alone, but we find them exist in people, exist in things. Take an example. We are saying kindness. Kindness is an example of an abstract noun. But now we say it cannot be found anywhere. Remember, we say they cannot be seen, they cannot be touched. So we say we find them existing in people, we find them existing in things. So we have an example A here. We say kindness is in a kind person. For us to know that kindness is existing, we shall have to look at a person. If we find that person has that behavior of kindness, we shall say that person is kind. It means in that person there is a quality called kindness. We say wisdom. Take an example. If you're a student and in class a teacher says that Maria is wise. When a teacher says Maria is wise, he has identified something in you, and something he has identified in you is wisdom. It means wisdom exists in a wise person. When we look at sweetness, when you taste something, take an example, a fruit. You taste a fruit, you say it is sweet. And now we say sweetness is in a sweet thing. Sweetness is in a sweet thing. We continue, we say smartness. Smartness is in a smart person or thing. Take an example, you say Teacher Olinga is smart. So you say there is smartness in a person when you realize that someone is smart. We continue and say that abstract nouns cannot exist on their own. It means if we are talking about abstract nouns, we shall have to look at the quality existing in people or things depending on their behavior. Let us move on this side and we look at examples of abstract nouns. We have looked at some of them here, but I would like to give more examples of abstract nouns such that you will be in position to identify more on your own. Let us have a look at them. We say action, wealth, hatred, friendship. You cannot meet any of these abstract nouns on the way, but you find them existing in people. So we say love. When you find people accepting one another, we say those people have love. So we say love is an abstract noun because we cannot see it. We have anger. Anger, when you look at someone fuming, a person has lost their temper, we say that person is angry. So we say there is anger in that person. We continue, we have hunger. When you find someone wanting to eat food, for example, someone tells you, Teacher Olinga, I am very famished. We say that person has hunger. We continue, politeness, ability, presence, absence, poverty, brightness, development, danger, cleverness, dullness, goodness, heat, hotness, choice, marriage, marriage, fitness, success, failure, ignorance, and so on. So these are some of the examples of abstract nouns, and you can definitely give more than this on your own. When we come this side, we shall look at formation of abstract nouns. These nouns can be formed. We can just form them from other parts of speech. And we are saying here in a nutshell that we form these nouns from adjectives, verbs, and nouns. So these abstract nouns can be formed in three. We say adjectives, verbs, nouns. In our next lesson, we shall look at formation of abstract nouns from adjectives. Thank you very much for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to our channel, and also turn the notification button such that you'll be in position to find our new videos. Thank you very much.